Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Ambulance Helicopter SET60179 from 2016 to 2017. And there are 3 minifigures in the set. The man on the snowboard, and you get a female paramedic and also a male pilot. And also can open the back door so you can take the stretcher out. And also can open the front of the helicopter so you can take the pilot out. And this would make a nice addition to your LEGO City for an air ambulance theme. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos if toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships. My email is in a link in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.